Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a treat video. I just wanted to show you guys what I saw in Vegas when I went down there a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to show you guys all the creative stuff that they have there. And yeah, we went there for a trade show. Wanted to get some more products for you guys, something that we can customize, and found a few things. So follow me and let's go ahead and take a look at what we found. Man, you can really find just about anything in Las Vegas. If you're looking for art, you'll find it. If you're looking for some adventure, you'll find it. If you're there for the music, it'll be there. So it's always fun and you always get to see something new. Fortunately for us, we're only a few hours away from Vegas, and we come down here maybe twice a year or so. So let's go ahead and see what else we can check out. We came down here to the ASD show, and they have a lot of stuff here. Anything from beauty, clothing, cosmetics, crafts, electronic, housewares, decor, gifts, fashion, pretty much general merchandise that you would want to sell like at your 99-cent store, or if you have a little convenience store, you can buy wholesale here. And they have a lot of items, so we wanted to see if we can find something for you guys, and we did find a few things, but not so much. It was mainly for retail. What I did find here in Vegas is a lot of cool art. Just every time I come here, there's always something new, something unique, some building being constructed. So this city is always in development, so you always find cool things. And obviously the art gets rotated and stuff like that, so every time you come here you'll see something new. We had a chance to come down here to the art district and walk around. There's a lot of breweries here, there's a lot of graffiti, awesome graffiti, and they also have like vintage stores and stuff like that. So that is in between the Stratosphere and the Fremont Experience, so that's where the art district kind of falls. So if you know those two locations, you can definitely find the art district. the place I wanted to check out and was kind of curious to see what was showcasing there was here in Area 15. It's kind of like an art installation meets a synthwave, kind of meets like a little mall kind of. So it's kind of weird, but it's kind of interesting to see different things. You gotta come here with an open mind. There's a lot of crazy stuff, and you probably do need the whole day or at least half a day to come check some of the stuff out. So each individual area is privately operated, so they will have different prices for those different locations. So just to be aware. But let's go ahead and check it out and see all the cool things and that they have there, and the neon signs and bright colors that obviously I'm enjoying right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they have. The one thing that we came here for was the Omega Mart. We wanted to check it out. I was curious to see what it was. So essentially what it is this Quickie Mart or this Omega Mart that has some mysterious backstory to it. So you really have to have time to go through each section and try to play detective and find out what's really happening to the Omega Mart in this other weird dimension. You're almost in a movie, I guess, and you have to kind of go through each section and try to find out what's going on and why things are happening and stuff like that. At the same time, they have cool art installations and things you can kind of like touch and stuff like that. So it was a very different experience. So you really have to come here with an open mind and don't rush into it. Just kind of immerse yourself into it and kind of go from there. So it was kind of interesting to be honest with you. And coming outside of the Omega Mart, still inside the Area 15, they have some other little stores that you can visit, and obviously each one, like I said, is individually operated. They even have this one section where you would pay and you have some sort of like whiskey tasting room, and they have different rooms that you can kind of get lost into. So that was kind of interesting. Maybe I might want to do that in a future video. But other than that, I mean, just looking at the neon lights and stuff like that, it was kind of cool to see. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we're going to go back to the studio and continue doing some more work. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy for now. Bye bye.